Morning, welcome to a morning review on Thursday the 16th of October. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as you can see we're currently in a bit of a sell-off situation. Put this bearish Arami in, it's broken the lows of that and is continued to the downside. What we've seen over the last during the last day is quite a bit of a whipsaw. It's more clearly seen on the hourly basis. Yesterday we had a bit of news come out in the early morning that we had a reaction from that, a pullback, and then gradually as we moved into the US session and we saw some weak data coming out there, we had quite a huge rally and a follow through and then a sell off again, and then we've seen later in the session again we've seen a further rally, and now we're in sell off mode again, so quite difficult to predict where we're going from here. It's gone through its daily pivot, so it's at the moment it's just selling off. If it continues in this vein, we could see this follow through and maybe even run back down towards the lows again. A break of the upper there's a trend going across the top here. A break of this may provided we've got the momentum etc with it, could see us look for longs, but at the moment we've got to be looking for the short side trades. Okay, that's the pound. On the euro, if we look at the bigger picture first, look at the dailies, and again yesterday in fact we saw quite a shove up there at different periods. It didn't pull back quite the same as cable. We did have a sell-off, but it never pulled back as low and making lows like cable did, but it has sold off. It's rallied again and now back into a sell-off mode at the moment. Still remaining relatively strong, and it has got its daily pivot below us, which may be a sort of a target area which it'll come down to and possibly find some support off just around about that sort of level. It does tie up with some previous highs, so there, as I say, there is some potential for a bit of support off that. However, if it runs through that, well, yeah, we've got to continue looking at the short side of things, and I'll be looking most likely this morning for short possibilities. Now break at the moment, if we break this trend line, maybe then looking for long opportunities, but at the moment it's looking weak, and the short side will be my favourite trades at the moment. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.